Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to easily obtain frequencies in Excel. So what I'm showing you here is a completed frequency table that we're going to complete together. So if you don't already have Excel open, you should go ahead and do that now. And you should have some numerical data that you can calculate frequencies with. So we're looking at the age variable, and to do this, to obtain a frequency, we will use the Countif and the Countifs function. Now, if you only have one operator like less than or greater than, it will be the Countif function. So for less than 30, we'll type the equal sign, Countif, and then we'll select our range of values. So our range of values is the age range here. Make sure you only select the age range. That way we're getting an accurate value as an output. Then you'll type comma. And then from there, you'll type quotation marks. So we'll do one quotation, and then we'll do our less than sign, and then 30. And then close those quotation marks, and close the parentheses bracket, and press enter. So we now have our frequency for less than 30. For a range of values, that's where you'll use the Countifs function. And this function will apply similarly to the Countif function. So here you will type equal sign, Countifs, select that, and then our criteria here is the same age. And for this one, we're going to be doing greater than 29 because our value includes 30. And then we will select our next range of values, which is going to be the same age range here. And then for this one, we'll need to do less than 40 because our age range includes 30 to 39. Now, it looks like I missed the quotation marks for greater than 29, so you'll need to make sure that's correct, or your formula won't work. So you can press enter, and that works like that. So from here, you could just copy that cell, place it in the next two cells, and then change your values. So 29 to 39 would be that, and then 50, and then you would change 29 to 49, and that would be 60. Now for your last cell, you could copy the first cell and just change the sign to greater than, and then you could change the value to 59. Very simple. And press enter. So the last thing you'll want to do is you'll want to sum this to make sure you have the proper count of frequency in your table. We're looking for the total number of 11. So you would select that range there, very easy, and we do have 11. Now to calculate the percentage distribution here, you would type in the equal sign, select the frequency divided by the total number here, and that gives you the percentage there, 18%. So we'll do that for the rest of our values. Equal sign, select the frequency divided by the total number. And we'll continue to do that until we reach the end of our frequency chart. And finally, what you'll want to do is we'll want to actually round this because there are a lot of points behind our decimal. So we'll go to this and we will round this most easily to the second decimal point. And there you have it. That is your frequency table. Any questions, feel free to email me at kt.manus@ttu.edu. Thank you. Bye-bye.